Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another fun holiday DIY for you. This is going to be 3 picture frame DIYs which I have featured in previous years during the holidays. So if you're interested in these types of DIYs, you can check out my others. I'll have them linked at the very end. I find these DIYs super fun because they're so easy and you can make them with all items from the Dollar Tree. Really great craft idea as well that you can do with children, and today I'm going to feature 3 different ones. So everything you're going to see here today is from Dollar Tree and from Dollar Tree this year, so these are all items that are still available. So I have this really pretty white 4x6 picture frame, and then I have this more like faux wood type picture frame which is a 5x7, and then this silver 5x7 as well, but it's a bit bigger because of the extra frame on the inside. This cute little elf is not from the Dollar Tree. She was actually just printed off the computer. So you do need a computer if you're going to do this specific DIY to print off an image, or you can find images in magazines as well. And then some of the cute items that we're going to feature for our picture frame decors is this Let It Snow sled with the snowman. This is a new Dollar Tree item they had this year. They also had this with a Santa Claus. This really pretty angel which says hope. They do come with different sayings on them. This is also new. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree before. And then these really cute elf legs, which is a tree ornament, and I'm not sure if this is new this year, but I've never noticed it before. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this DIY. Let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so first DIY was a complete failure, but that's just reality of what can happen when you're making DIYs. I cannot get this fixed, and I definitely don't know when I'll be going back to the Dollar Tree, but just to give you guys an idea of where I was going with this, it would have been super cute. I'm still gonna make it. I just don't know if it's gonna get made before this video goes up, but you can see what I was going with. Anyways, let's move on and see if the other ones actually work out. going to be using the larger picture frame, this printed out elf, and then these elf feet. Alright guys, there you have my picture frame DIYs. This one is super cute. I sat it up on the ledge like this because when I decorate, it's going to be sitting on my fireplace mantle with its legs dangling over. So I just wanted to give you guys a visual of what that would look like. I'll probably do a decorate with me for Christmas like I did for Halloween and fall. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed these picture frame DIYs. Even though the first one didn't work out, it still gives you an idea of what you can do and how cute and adorable it would look. This is absolutely probably my favorite. Leave me a comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And thanks so much for joining me, guys. Love and peace to you all, and happy holidays. Bye.